Suspended, held upright, but with no grasp of what's ahead. The surface changes from once being serene to a mix of emotions that any kind of shake-up would be. It's within these depths which holds the pressure between being settled or being scared. Sharp initially, painful even, quickly changes to engulf the whole body. This brief moment of escapism appears from behind the tapestry of thoughts. Whilst support is cast from the sidelines, Mother Nature naturally takes over, and all time all of a sudden is swallowed up. Completely immersed, humble for a moment and clear in instruction, it's between you and Will at this point. No one else, but you two together, in courage, finally. The core kicks in with no hesitation. The 4 paddles flap to keep afloat, generating residual heat between the layers of discomfort. Pushing through the heavy surface together is the mission, but becoming increasingly aware of the stagnation in the depths. 35 is the number to keep in mind before science bites back. Your digits point out, guiding your mind to know enough is enough, and whilst doubt seeps in, you keep your nerve. Hold on. When emerging from the cold, euphoric state, there's a rush of tingling, a sort of fizziness all over, which helps you shine like a red beacon, defining the struggle and courage needed to go there and back again. Obviously there's an imminent task ahead of keeping warm, but in a sense the hard work is done, knowing through your heart what it feels like to be completely alive.